Welcome to the chemistry class today. Today we are going to learn about buffer solution. What? Buffer solution. What is a buffer solution? A solution which resists change in its pH on adding small amounts of acid and base. A solution which resists change in its pH on adding small amounts of acid or base is a buffer solution. Or in other words, we can say a solution which maintains its pH value fairly constant is a buffer solution. Let us see real life example of a buffer solution. Like during pandemic, you would have been sitting idle at your homes, and in your idle time, you might be thinking of ordering some foods. You might have ordered pizza on Zomato, Swiggy, right? Samosa, pastry. So you know that some items are acidic and some are basics. So if you eat an acidic item, then your whole body should become acidic. Does it happen? No. If it would have happened, then you might would have not survived, right? You might have died if your whole body becomes acidic. That means your blood present in your body resists the change in its pH value when you eat an acidic item or basic item, right? So blood is a buffer solution because it resists the change in its pH value on eating acidic item or basic item. So blood is a buffer solution. I hope it is clear to you. Now we are going to see different types of buffer solution. So buffer solutions are of two types, acidic buffer and basic buffer. Now we will learn the ways to prepare acidic buffer and basic buffer. First let us see how acidic buffer is formed. It is formed by weak acid and salt of weak acid with strong base. What? Weak acid plus salt of weak acid with strong base. And basic buffer is formed by weak base with salt of weak base and strong acid. This weak acid and the weak acid present in the salt is same. I hope it is clear. Now we are going to study acidic buffer in detail. We are going to see direct and indirect methods of preparation of acidic buffer. Okay, let us continue. We are going to study acidic buffer. We are going to see how we will prepare acidic buffer. There are two ways of preparation of acidic buffer, direct method and indirect method. Acidic buffer. Put the heading acidic buffer. So you know how to prepare acidic buffer? Weak acid plus salt of weak acid with strong base. Clear? Okay, tell me the example of any weak acid. For example, CH3COH, which is a weak acid, acetic acid. It is a weak acid. Or tell me the salt of this weak acid with strong base. For example, CH3CONA. This is salt of weak acid with strong base, right? So this Na is coming from strong base. For example, NaOH. KOH, CaOH whole twice, MgOH whole twice. These all are strong base. What? Strong base. Now how to identify that something is strong base or weak base? Right? For that we know that first A and second A group, oxides and hydroxides are strong base. Oxides and hydroxide of first and second group are strong base. Is it clear? I hope it is clear. So now let us see some more examples of acidic buffer. We can, for example, any weak acid HCN. HCN is also a weak acid. And salt of weak acid with strong base. For example, NaCN. NaCN is salt of weak acid with strong base. HCN is a weak acid. Weak acid plus strong base. Let us take one more example. For example, benzoic acid, COOH, and this is a weak acid. And we are having its salt with strong base. For example, COK. This K is coming from KOH, which is a strong base. Let us take more example. For example, S2CO3. S2CO3 plus its salt with strong base. For example, K2CO3. So these all are examples of acidic buffer. Now, these are the direct methods which are written in the textbooks. Means weak acid plus salt of weak acid with strong base. These are direct methods of preparation of acidic buffer. There is also an indirect method of preparation. Now let us see what are the indirect methods of preparation of acidic buffer. Now let us see the second method of preparation of acidic buffer. That is indirect method. In indirect method, he will give two components for preparation of acidic buffer. Like he has given me NaOH and CH3OH, weak acid and strong base. NaOH is a strong base and CH3COH is a weak acid. But for acidic buffer, we need weak acid plus salt of weak acid with strong base. We are not having that. But using these two components, we can prepare the salt of weak acid with strong base. How? Let us see. NaOH plus CH3COH. This is base, this is acid. Acid-base reaction will take place and salt formation will happen. What salt will be formed? CH3CONa plus water. But the condition is the strong base, that is NaOH, should be the limiting reagent. This should get over first. Let us say we have 0.1 moles of NaOH and 0.5 moles of CH3COH. So this is a strong base, so it will react completely, and after the reaction 0 moles of NaOH will be remaining and CH3COH will be remaining 0.4 moles and CH3CONa 0.1 moles. So finally in the solution we will be having 0.1 moles of weak acid CH3COH and 0.1 moles of salt of weak acid with strong base. So it can form the acidic buffer. This is the indirect method of preparation of acidic buffer. I hope it is clear to you. Now let us do one IIT JEE 2010 question. Now let us do the IIT JEE 2010 question. Question is, we have to tell, we are given 4 options and we have to tell which combination will form the acidic buffer solution. So let us see at the option number 4th, CH3COH and CH3CONa. This is a weak acid and this is salt of weak acid with strong base. So it will form the acidic buffer. So this is the right option. Now let us see option number 1st. We are giving HNO3. HNO3 is a weak acid or strong acid? It is a strong acid. And CH3COH is a weak acid. So will any reaction take place between two acids? No reaction. So we can't get any salt of weak acid with strong base. So it will not form any acidic buffer. Let us go to option number 2nd. We are given KOH and CH3CONa. We are having salt of weak acid with strong base, but we are not having weak acid. Can we prepare using both of these? No. Why? Because this is a strong base and this is the salt, right? What reaction will take in between these two? Tell me. No reaction, right? OH minus and CH3CO minus, no reaction will take place. So we can't prepare weak acid with using these two. So it will not form acidic buffer. So this will not be right answer. Now let us move to the third option. In third option we are given HNO3 and CH3CONa. HNO3 is a strong acid and this is salt of weak acid with strong base, right? One of the thing we are having, but we are not having weak acid. But can we prepare weak acid using these two? Now let us add HNO3. Now let us do the reaction between HNO3 and CH3CONa. What will be formed? CH3CO minus will react with H plus, right? So what it will form? CH3COH, right? Which is a weak acid. So we are having weak acid plus salt of weak acid with strong base. This is the indirect method of preparation of acidic buffer. So this will also be the right answer. C and D will be the right answer. I hope you enjoyed the lecture and you have learned good amount of concepts, right? Thank you very much for listening patiently.